to Ahan's Toys Review.
Before we go into the experiment, make sure to subscribe and like. First, pour some water into a bowl or plate. Okay, I'm gonna pour some water in. Good. Now, we're gonna take some pepper and add it on the water. Okay, and there's some. Good. Now you have to take some dish soap and add a drop onto your finger like this. There. That's enough. See, the water is stable and the pepper is stable, but now see what happens when I put my soap finger in. Did you see that? All the pepper went away. Did you see that? It ran away from my finger. Now we're gonna see what happens if we touch it with our finger, no soap. And Arjun is gonna try that. Did you see that? Nothing happened. I'll explain to you why that didn't happen. Now we're gonna try it again with soap on our finger. Now Arjun's gonna put his finger in with soap. Okay, Arjun, put it in. It also ran further apart. Now I'm going to tell you why this happened with water and pepper. The soap breaks the surface tension of the water molecules. And the water molecules pull themselves away from the soap, carrying the pepper along with them. This is why when we put our finger in the pepper and water with soap, the pepper seems to run away. But actually the water molecules, they're actually pulling the pepper away with them. Like they're running away. Do you like our experiment? I hope you did. You can try this at home too and tell us how you experienced it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. See you next time with another awesome video.